Here are some Pandas tricks that you should know and start using. The first, when you need to add a new column, then you df.assign to an existing data frame. It creates a new data frame with the new column added rather than modifying the original data frame in place. This is important because it ensures that your data remains immutable, which makes it easier to reason about and debug. So, rather than adding the column in the first style as shown above, you should use df.assign to add the new column. You can even add multiple new columns in a single assign by using df.assign new column values and then another new column with your values there. Also, if you need to define data types for multiple columns, which we often need to do, and if the data type is the same, you should not be assigning it in the manner shown above. You can simply use this notation, which will be cleaner and better. We will defining the column list and then using df.asType and then passing the list in the dictionary as shown below. In the same way, you can use to fill null values. You don't have to fill null values one at a time. You can just define your column list and the null value that you need to replace. And this makes it much neater and cleaner as well. And the last tip is that you can use index to merge data frames. Suppose that we have these two data frames where there is the name and the key on the left and the index is on the right, and we want to do the merge. Now you don't have to reset the index and then name it to something and then use left join with left index on is equals to with the same column name. You can simply use df is equals to left dot merge, right df how is equals to left, define the left key and left on, and since you're merging on the right index, you can just say right index is equals to true, and then you have the resulting data frame directly for the join. So this lets you skip one step, which I think probably all of us used to do before knowing this. Alright, thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe.